peace is what you are. The formless essence of your being, the essential nature of your being, transcendent of the temporary body, mind, and ego, is consciousness itself, which is peaceful awareness. Unbothered, the pure I am that allows for all manner of expressions. It is like the screen that allows and accepts and doesn't deny anything that is projected upon it. We feel it within, but that's not where it lives. It lives everywhere. It is everything. And the peace that you are is not different than the peace that I am or anyone else. It's not stronger or deeper or more profound. It's the exact same peace that we all are. Your feelings of it, your experience of it may waver because your mind gets in the way, your stories get in the way, your conditioning and programming and over-identification as the character of self. That will veil or obscure the knowing of that peace. And so you'll feel like the peace comes and goes. But true peace doesn't come and go. It's all there is.